Kantech Salto events with exacqVision 26.1. Welcome to this short tutorial on viewing Kantech Salto events in exacqVision 26.1. Before we begin, please ensure your system meets the following requirements. Your exacqVision server must be running version 26.0.6.0 or higher. Your Kantech Enterpass system must be on version 9.12.269 or higher. On the Kantech side, your Salto Space must be on version 6.11 or later. Your encoder 2.0 firmware must be 1.14 or higher. Your KT1, KT2, KT4, or KT400 firmware must be version 3.21.02 or higher. Your iOSmart Gen 2 firmware must be version 2.03.09 and your iOSmart Gen 1 firmware must be version 1.11.03. You will need to do some configuration on the Kantech side. Navigate to the Salto web page. For detailed assistance on configuring Kantech Salto events, please refer to the Kantech support portal and associated Kantech documentation. In exacqVision, navigate to your server and select the Add Security Integrations option. Click the New button to create a new integration. Enter the required connection details for your Kantech Enterpass system. Once all fields are correctly completed, click Apply to save your configuration. After the integration is configured, navigate to the search page. Run a search as you normally would. You will now see Kantech Salto events displayed in the right-hand pane, alongside your video results. This allows you to correlate access control events with recorded video for enhanced investigation. You have successfully configured Kantech Salto events in exacqVision 26.1. Thanks for watching.